If you can know how to tell when the trend of the market is about to reverse, you will always wait for the market to give you signs, because anywhere the market moves to, it always leaves a sign that it wants to go to that direction. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to tell when the trend of the market is about to change direction. A trend reversal is when the market fails to maintain its current direction and start moving the other way. For example, when you see the market makes a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So instead of the market maintaining this trend and you see the market doing something like taking the low, you know that this is a sign that the trend of the market wants to go to another direction. So you will not just jump into the market thinking, okay, this is truly a complete change of character. So you have to wait for the market to give you a pullback and wait for confirmation that yes, the market wants to reverse again before you enter your trade. So it will reverse to either your point of interest here. I will talk about point of interest in another video. That's why you need to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I post the video on this channel. So when the market comes to this point of interest, you wait for confirmation for the market to fall down again. So when you see the market make something like this, a high, a low, lower low, lower high, and suddenly instead of the market taking this low again, it went up taking the high. So after taking this high, you know that this is a sign that the market wants to change direction. So this alone does not make it a confirmation. So you have to wait for confirmation that yes, the market wants to truly continue with this new trend. So you wait for either your point of interest within here, you wait, and then you enter your trade after you confirm that the market wants to truly continue with the trend, and then you put your take profit somewhere here. So that is your target take profit. Now that you have understand the idea, let me take you to the chart and give you a practical example on how to apply everything together. With what we can see here, this is USD CHF, and as you can see, the market makes a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So coming to this point, you see the market take this low here. After taking this low, the market have to come to your point of interest before the market will fall down to this new break of structure. So look at what happened here. After the market take this low, the market reverses back to your point of interest. Your point of interest can either be an order block or a fair value gap. So the market reverses to your point of interest and you wait for confirmation. If you go to lower time frame, you're going to see a clear confirmation here that truly the market wants to continue with the down movement. So the market falls down massively to this point. Let me give you another example using GBP USD. On this GBP USD, what we can see here, you see that the market took this low. So this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and reaching this point, instead of the market playing within here, because this is your trading range from this point to this point. So instead of the market playing within this trading range, the market took this high. After taking this high, you know that the interest of the market have now shifted from a bearish to bullish. So you mark your point of interest within here. After you mark your point of interest, you wait for confirmation that truly the market wants to continue with the bullish structure, and then you enter after you see confirmation. But here is one thing to always take in mind. Breaking structure does not simply mean that it has confirmed that this is where the market wants to go to. For example, let me show you an example. Let me show you example. Okay, look at here. After the market fall down to this point, because this become a lower high, this is a lower high, lower low, and what happened? A lower high. So after taking this, the market falls all the way to this point here, and then it went up, taking this low again. Some people will begin to interpret this break of this structure here as a sign that the market wants to continue selling, but that is not true. It's just coming back to mitigate this wick here, this movement here. Maybe there's an imbalance. That is what the market is seeking for. So after mitigating it, you will see, if you watch it closely, let me show you. You see that this movement here did not take this wick here. So as it did not take this wick, you know that okay, after coming here, this wick becomes now your point of interest for you to target this high. You understand? If you go to lower time frame, you are going to see a clear sign that this is a confirmation for you to buy and take here as your take profit. You get the point? Let me give another example. Let me use Euro USD. On this Euro USD, what you can see here, you see the market after taking this low, it went all the way to this high, taking all these highs here. So after taking all this high, the market fall back to play within this imbalance you see here. After that, the market flies up, taking this high again. After taking this high, this is another point of interest. The market just played on the point of interest and it moves up. So whenever the market break a structure, always wait for confirmation before you think of entering your trade. That is how to know when the trend of the market is about to reverse. If you found value on this lesson, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I would like to see your comments on the comment section below. Because in Trading Unveiled Academy, we unravel the hidden mysteries in the financial market and demystifies the complexities involved in trading. I am Moses Sedoki. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you on the next one. Bye.